The pencil tool can be used to quickly draw shapes and lines. You can draw freehand using this tool, and this tool will be your best friend if you are an artist. The pencil tool is located in the group of shaper tool, so click and hold on the shaper tool to select it, or you can press N to activate it. Now you can draw freehand on the artboard. Here I will try to draw a monkey, though I am horrible at drawing, but I will try. So bear with me. I know this is not the best monkey, but I wanted to show you how you can draw using the pencil tool. You can further customize the pencil tool if you like. Just double click on the pencil tool icon to open up a dialog box. Here there are many customization options available. Like you can set the smoothness. If you set the smoothness to low by dragging this slider here and then draw, the stroke will match exactly. That is, now you can draw precisely. And if you set the smoothness to highest, Illustrator will smooth out the stroke. Now if you check this option, fill new pencil stroke, then whatever shape you draw will get automatically filled up with a color. So let's say I select a color, and now if I draw the shape will automatically get filled up with that color. This option, close path when ends are within, will close the shape if the ends are within a specified range. And you can set the range here. So if I set the range to 30 pixel, and now if I draw, you will notice that the two ends of this shape is not within the range of 30 pixel, so it is not closed. But if I draw a shape like this, the shape will automatically get closed since the ends are within 30 pixel. You can fine tune this range according to your need to close the shape that you draw. Now the last option, edit selected path. This option allows you to change existing path. So if I check this option and set the range to 10 pixel, now I can modify any path. So let's draw something. And now if I draw over this section, I can modify the existing path. But if you uncheck this option, then you cannot modify the existing path and Illustrator will draw a new path. So this is all about the pencil tool. Next we are going to learn about the smooth tool.